Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday. This is the day that I review toys, and today I have this Disney Junior Mickey collectible figure set from Just Play. These figures are just a little over 2 inches tall, and they're really cute. It looks like they're made out of a hard plastic. I'm going to go ahead and open the box and show you what they look like. Okay, here we've got the open box, and I'm going to pop them out one at a time. This is Chip and Dale. I'm not sure if this is Chip or Dale, but these were two cute little chipmunks. They were buddies. Very cool. Very cute. I love these vintage Disney characters. Most of them came out in the 30s through the 50s. Put a little bit more light on these so that you can see them better. Look how cute these guys are. There they are from the back. They're hard plastic. Really adorable. And here we've got Donald. There's Donald. He's Mickey's friend. Looks just like him from the vintage character set. Let's put him over here where you can still see him. He does stand, but these characters don't always want to stand unless they're on 100% flat surface. Here's Mickey, the traditional Mickey. I like how he's turned to the side. He's really cute. Mickey is a cool character. He was first made in the 1930s, but had a different look. He had an even more vintage look from the 30s. Then probably my favorite in this set is Minnie Mouse with her traditional pink and white polka dot bow, her pink dress, and her big pink pumps. Wearing the white gloves. Okay, we got two more. Here's Mickey. So this set has two Mickeys in different poses. This guy is super cute too. Look how his shoes are. One shoe is a little up. He looks super happy. And there he is from the back. Look at his little tail. Really, really cute little figures. And then last toy in this set, another one of my favorites. Come on. He's kind of stuck here. Okay. Here he comes. Here's Pluto. He's on a skateboard, having a good time. He looks very happy, enjoying his little ride. Very nice figures, really collectible. And I love the height. I love that they're just a little over 2 inches. Maybe, now Pluto, he's going to be shorter, probably around 2 inches. Look at his little tail. But the rest of these Mickeys and the Minnie are just over 2 inches to 2 1/4. And then the Chip and Dale, I love them too. And Donald. They're all great, cute little figures. Now, let me show you the box, back, and backdrop. Here's the backdrop, which is a playground. Clouds at the top, grass at the bottom. Looks like there's some kind of a soft surface in case someone falls and hurts themselves. There's a Mickey light pole back in the back, and a city scene beyond the park. Then we turn it around to the back, and here's a nice graphic of all the characters with the playground scene. Just Play, Mickey Mouse Funhouse. This is 2023 Just Play Disney Junior Collectible Figure Set, item 38138. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.